everyone. This is Cooking with Intention, and I'm Tracy. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to do a family favorite, curry chicken on jasmine rice. It is so awesome. I can't wait to share it with you. So I have chopped up 4 chicken breasts into bite sizes. I've already cooked my long grain jasmine rice, which is beautiful. I have a 15-ounce can of coconut milk. And I have a cup of chicken broth. I have julienned up 1 full onion and 1 full bell pepper. I added the red because I love the color as well as a little bit of sweetness. And I have some cilantro, which is fabulous for mixing in a little bit as well as topping. And I have some green onion for topping. A 1/4 cup of reduced fat sour cream, and a tablespoon of garlic. And our spices, look at this, it's just gorgeous. So I've got turmeric, curry powder, cumin, and garam masala, and I have salt and pepper and cayenne pepper. So it's just a little bit of heat, as well as some coriander. So this is gonna come together just beautiful. I can't wait to show you. Okay, so I've got my olive oil heated up. I just added my chicken. We're gonna saute this for about 5 minutes. Okay, while this is sauteing, I'm going to add in some of my spices. I'm gonna add in all of the curry, turmeric, oh goodness, it's already garam masala. Let it kind of get into the chicken. The salt and the pepper. Oh boy, this is gonna be so good. I like to do this because it seals into the chicken while you're cooking it. Might need a little bit more olive oil because of those spices. Okay, this is looking really good. Smelling awesome. I'm going to remove it from the heat. Now I still have all of those wonderful flavors in there. We're going to do the onions. Saute those up for a bit, just until they're translucent. Maybe not even quite that, because I'm going to add in my peppers and my garlic. But I want to get this all tossed together and cooked down just a little bit. Okay, it's been a couple minutes and those are looking delicious. Let's add in our garlic. Give that a stir. Oops. And let's add in the bell pepper. I cannot tell you how good it smells right now. I absolutely love this flavor. Okay, so let that cook for a couple minutes. I don't like my peppers done too soft, so we're gonna keep cooking obviously. So I've just given them a good mix. And now I'm gonna add back in the chicken. Because I want those flavors again to just really come together. And they are. Oh. I'm going to turn my heat down a little bit. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Smells so good. All right, so I have mixed in the coconut milk, my chicken broth, and the sour cream. I mixed it all together. Now I'm going to add it. And we're going to mix that all together. Now the sour cream adds that creamy, right? You normally would add maybe heavy whipping cream. Again, this is a lighter version of this. It's like coconut milk. So, you know, I mean, we have just a little bit, but super delicious. Sometimes I think you can go overboard, you know, with fattened stuff when it's not really necessary. You can find a way to twist it. So we're gonna bring this right back up to, I'm gonna let it simmer on this heat for just a bit. I'm gonna add in some of my cilantro. I wanna keep some though for my topping. Again, the flavors that are in this kitchen. And back up just a bit and cover it. Okay, it's been simmering a bit. Oh gosh, it smells so good. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is, you see the sauce is very thin. So I'm gonna thicken it without changing the flavor. So all I did was I had some water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And what I'm gonna do is just slowly pour it in. I may not use all of it. I just really wanna thicken it up just a little bit. Like a thinner than gravy, but, and it doesn't, the nice thing about cornstarch is it doesn't change the flavor, which is so good. Oh goodness gracious. This is amazingly flavorful. See how it's starting to thick up just a bit? Which I think is perfect over the rice. So I don't think I'll add, besides looking like it could need, nope, I think it's good. It's got the right thickness. It's just kind of a yummy over your rice. Okay, let's turn the heat off. Cover it for a minute. I'll show you what the end result is. There you have it. Our curry chicken is done and it smells amazing. I know from making this before, the flavors are there. There are versions of curry chicken that take all day to make. I don't have that kind of time. And I know that this is an amazing dish, so I hope you get to try it. I am going to dish up some rice. I use the long grain. It's just beautiful jasmine. Oh, and the flavors, the colors, oh goodness, amazing. A little bit of cilantro, a little bit of green onion. There you have it. Oh, you want to try this. Enjoy. I hope you do really like this video, and I hope you like, subscribe, and share. And if you do, please know it's very much appreciated, as well as following me on cooking_with_intention with Instagram. I hope you have a fabulous day. And until next time, please be well.